What's it actually like to own a 1,000 horsepower G81 M3?
Colour is it, Tom? Smyrna green.
You know what that is? Smyrna green. Don't forget, I do daily this car. Come with me and I'll take you on a journey where I'll show you it is possible to daily a 1,000 horsepower car. Let's go. Now the best thing I like about my BMW G81 M3 is the fact that you can daily it. You can go around, no problems. I mean, one would look at the car and think, absolute menace to society, this is gonna definitely get an ASBO order on it, or definitely on the owner. No. Listen to it, this is windows down. Don't forget, it's got a Gtech Motorsports full stainless steel exhaust system with decat downpipes running 1,000 horsepower. Very nice and friendly to the environment. Nobody's moaning. In fact, the car gets a lot of love. Anybody who likes cars in general, especially if they're a BMW fanboy, or girl, or people, they love the car. You get waves, people take pictures, they love it. But at the click of a button, this thing turns into something that is a complete different beast. And I mean, if you just press M1, all of a sudden you can hear the exhaust note. Press it again, and it's back to that family going estate car where you can do the daily runs to school and go to shopping. However, there is another button that when pressed, all hell breaks loose. And that I'm about to show you now. After the 1,000 horsepower build, I want to show you what kind of beast this thing actually is. This thing comes on boost, it's scary, man. Back in your seat, man. It's mad. Woo! Listen to that exhaust note. Anti-lag is sick. Woo! Oh, rolling anti-lag is the one. Just listen to that thing, it's raring to go. And to think This build cost around £45,000. The car retails for around 100,000. This one, obviously, it was a bit rare. You know, £145,000. You've got 1,000 horsepower supercar killer and a family wagon. What an amazing setup! What more could a man want? Perfect in every way. Speed, reliability, usability. And then if you get a supercar in front of you who's trying it on, you just put him to sleep. Don't forget, this is on the street user-friendly map, not on the ethanol map. On the ethanol map, it's more. Adrenaline rush this thing gives you. Just listen to it. Listen to that. Listen to this. Woo-hoo-hoo! Come on! Animal! So there you have it, guys. That was the first episode of living with 1,000 horsepower G81 M3, and that sounds like Craig, the crazy beast, in his F31 335i. Asbo guy, what you doing?
I've got something for you.
What? What's he got for us now?
Mate.
Come on, put it here. What is it? What is it?
Oh, yeah.
Stop.
Look at that.
This is for the next video.
Yeah, but just look at it. Subscribe, go on.
1200 horsepower, loading. You'll have to watch the next video. Like, share and subscribe, guys. I hope you're enjoying the content on our G81. You thought we stopped at 1,000 horsepower? We ain't stopped. We're taking it over 1,000 horsepower. Stay tuned for the next video, because we're coming out. And this year, we're gapping.
Got more.
Stop!
Boss ass bitch. Boss bitch.